Welcome to GK Health Passport. We are thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey to explore the incredible opportunities awaiting you in the healthcare sector in Ireland. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Ireland offers a wealth of possibilities to grow and thrive in your career. With its rich history, vibrant culture and commitment to healthcare excellence, Ireland is the perfect place to take your career to the next level. Today, we're bringing you the top 20 care homes and hospitals in Ireland, currently hiring and offering free visa sponsorships. Imagine working in state-of-the-art facilities, surrounded by a supportive community of healthcare professionals who are dedicated to making a difference. These institutions are not only committed to providing excellent patient care, but also to supporting their staff with continuous professional development and career advancement opportunities. From cutting-edge technology to innovative patient care practices, these workplaces are at the forefront of the healthcare industry. If you're looking to advance your healthcare career in Ireland, this video is tailored just for you. We will guide you through the application process, highlight the benefits of working in Ireland, and provide tips on how to make your transition as smooth as possible. From understanding the visa sponsorship process to finding the right job that matches your skills and aspirations, we've got you covered. Plus, we'll share insights on living in Ireland, including housing, culture and community support to help you feel at home. By the way, only 10% of our viewers are subscribed. Subscribing to our channel ensures that you never miss out on the latest updates, job openings, and valuable insights into the healthcare industry in Ireland. It's a small action that can make a big difference in your career journey. Stay informed and stay ahead by joining our community of healthcare professionals. If you're finding our videos helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us continue to create content that empowers healthcare professionals like you to achieve their dreams. Plus, you'll be the first to know about new opportunities and resources that can help you succeed. We are committed to providing you with the best information and guidance to navigate your career path. And if you're looking for personal guidance, join our channel membership for exclusive support. Our members receive one-on-one mentoring, personalized career advice, and access to a community of like-minded professionals. Whether you need help with your resume, interview preparation, or navigating the visa process, our team is here to support you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Your dream healthcare career in Ireland is just a click away. Join us today and take the first step towards a brighter future. We can't wait to see you succeed and thrive in your new role. First on our list is Mowlam Healthcare, based in beautiful Limerick. They're actively hiring nurses and healthcare assistants with visa sponsorship options. Imagine yourself strolling along the River Shannon after a rewarding day at work. Head over to mowlamhealthcare.com to explore their openings. Next up, we're heading south to Cork, home to CareChoice Nursing Homes. They offer diverse opportunities for registered nurses and care assistants with visa sponsorships. Check out their website at carechoice.ie to see how you can join their team. Let's talk about Sonas Nursing Homes with facilities across Ireland. They're looking for passionate staff nurses and healthcare assistants, offering sponsorships to help you turn your Irish dream into a reality. Visit sonas.ie and see where you fit in. Calling all dedicated healthcare assistants. Are you passionate about providing exceptional care and looking for an exciting opportunity to advance your career? Look no further. We have the perfect opportunity for you to grow and thrive in a supportive environment. FirstCare Nursing Homes in Dublin is eager to welcome you with open arms. We offer free visa sponsorships to help you make the move seamlessly. Our state-of-the-art facilities and supportive team environment ensure that you can focus on what you do best, caring for others. Join a team that values your dedication and hard work. Imagine experiencing the vibrant city life of Dublin while making a real difference in the lives of others. Dublin is a city rich in culture, history and opportunities. From its bustling streets to its serene parks, there's always something to explore. And with FirstCare Nursing Homes, you'll be part of a community that values your skills and dedication. Enjoy the best of both worlds, professional growth and personal enrichment. Visit firstcare.ie today and start your application. Our user-friendly website makes it easy to apply and get all the information you need. Don't miss this chance to advance your career and experience the best of Dublin. Join us at FirstCare Nursing Homes and be part of a team that truly cares. Your future in healthcare starts here. Ready for a change of pace? Look no further than Silverstream Healthcare Group in Ratoath, County Meath. They're offering sponsorships for various healthcare roles, including nurses and assistants. Explore their website at silverstream.ie and discover the opportunities that await. Next, we're heading back to Dublin, where TLC Nursing Home in Santry is searching for compassionate healthcare assistants. They provide a supportive work environment and visa sponsorship options. Visit tlcccentre.ie to learn more and apply today. Back to Cork we go, where Aperee Living is setting a new standard in senior care. They're actively seeking nurses and healthcare assistants with visa sponsorships. Visit aperee.ie and apply today. Grace Healthcare in Dublin is seeking nurses and senior healthcare assistants to join their team. With their free sponsorship program, your dream of living and working in Dublin is closer than ever. Head over to gracehealthcare.ie to explore their openings. Brindley Healthcare in Donegal is looking for passionate healthcare professionals to fill a variety of roles with visa sponsorships. Visit brindleyhealthcare.ie and discover your perfect role. Curam Care Homes, with locations across Ireland, is actively hiring compassionate individuals with fantastic sponsorship opportunities. Visit curamcarehomes.ie today and discover your perfect fit. The Mater Misericordiae University Hospital in Dublin is seeking experienced nurses and allied health professionals with visa sponsorship. Visit mater.ie and take the next step in your healthcare journey. St James's Hospital, Ireland's largest acute hospital, is seeking dedicated healthcare professionals. They offer sponsorship opportunities for international candidates. Explore the possibilities at sjames.ii and start your application today. Beaumont Hospital in Dublin is actively seeking passionate nurses and healthcare staff with sponsorship options. Visit beaumont.ie and discover the opportunities that await. Cork University Hospital is actively seeking international healthcare professionals with excellent visa sponsorship opportunities. Visit cuh.hc.ie and explore the possibilities. University Hospital Galway is seeking nurses and allied health professionals with visa sponsorship opportunities. Visit solta.ie and discover the possibilities that await. Tallaght University Hospital is seeking passionate healthcare professionals with visa sponsorship opportunities. Visit 2.ie to explore their current openings. Secours Hospital. Cork is actively seeking dedicated nurses and healthcare staff with sponsorship opportunities. Visit bonsecours.ie to discover the rewarding career paths available. Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Drogheda is actively seeking international nurses and healthcare professionals with sponsorship opportunities. Visit hsc.I to explore current openings and start your application today. St Vincent's University Hospital in Dublin is seeking passionate individuals with sponsorship options. Imagine yourself working alongside a dedicated team, utilizing cutting-edge technology. Visit svu.ie and discover the opportunities that await. The Rotunda Hospital in Dublin is seeking compassionate midwives and nurses with sponsorship opportunities. Visit rotunda.ie to explore the rewarding opportunities available. If you're looking to take your healthcare career to the next level, check out the links in the description to apply directly. Ireland offers a unique blend of modern healthcare facilities and a rich cultural heritage, making it an ideal destination for healthcare professionals seeking both professional growth and personal enrichment. Whether you're a nurse, doctor, or allied health professional, Ireland has a wealth of opportunities waiting for you. The healthcare system here is renowned for its high standards and commitment to patient care, providing an excellent environment for you to develop your skills and advance your career. Plus, living in Ireland means you'll be surrounded by stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and a welcoming community. Imagine working in state-of-the-art hospitals and clinics while also having the chance to explore Ireland's historic castles, lush green countryside and vibrant cultural festivals. So why wait? Start your Irish healthcare adventure today and take the first step towards a rewarding and fulfilling career in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. The opportunities are endless, and the experience is truly life-changing. For exclusive one-on-one guidance, join our channel membership today. Our members get access to personalised advice and support from experienced healthcare professionals who have successfully made the move to Ireland. You'll receive step-by-step assistance with everything from job applications and interviews to settling into your new home and understanding the local healthcare system. Our community is here to help you every step of the way, ensuring that your transition to working in Ireland is as smooth and stress-free as possible. By joining our membership, you'll also gain access to exclusive content, webinars, and networking opportunities that can help you build a successful career in Irish healthcare. Don't miss out on this invaluable resource. Join today and start your journey with confidence. Our members have found this support system to be incredibly beneficial, often saying it made their transition not just easier, but also more enjoyable. The sense of community and shared experience is something you won't find anywhere else. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to GK Health Passport for more informative content. Thank you for watching. Your support helps us create more valuable resources for healthcare professionals like you. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest tips, advice, and opportunities in the healthcare industry. Plus, you'll be the first to know about new job openings, training programs, and other exciting developments. So hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of healthcare professionals who are making a difference in Ireland and beyond. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and we look forward to helping you achieve your career goals. Together, we can make a significant impact on the healthcare landscape, not just in Ireland, but globally.